So my new strategy with the watermelon is to let it do whatever it wants to. And this is what it wants to do. It's taken over my bell peppers. Oh, but my broccoli is still growing really nicely. It's taken over all the way down to the collards, which includes the cauliflower, the kale, the tomato, and it's almost down to the other tomato. And the cantaloupe, it's doing what it wants to do. No trimming. I've gotten one little cantaloupe growing on here and it hasn't gotten any bigger. Okay, my mistake. There's one cantaloupe. Two cantaloupes. Thought I saw a third one here somewhere. So I guess they are growing. Oh, 3 cantaloupes. I don't know if you can see that one. There might be more, but it's too many vines for me. And my kitchen scraps that I'm growing in here with them has plenty of growth. I've got a few of the little onions coming back, but the celery is doing good. It's still growing. And that other onion never did take off, so. Okay.